So welcome. So this video we discuss components of laser. So components of laser, first we know about the active medium and active center. So active medium is the medium in which the population inversion takes place is called as active medium, and active center the material in which the atoms are raised to excited state to achieve population inversion is called active center, isn't it? And now, so we know that population inversion is the state of achieving more number of atoms in the excited state compared to the ground state atoms is called as population inversion. And then principle of laser actions, as due to stimulated emission the photons multiple by in each step, giving a rise to an indensed beam of photons, so that are coherent and moving in the same direction. So hence the light is amplified by stimulated emissions of radiation. And now optical resonator. So the optical resonator constitute an active medium kept between 100% reflecting mirror and a partially reflecting mirror, as shown in figure. So this optical resonator acts as a feedback system in amplifying the light emitted from the active medium. So by making it to undergo multiple reflections between the 100% mirror and the partial mirror. So here the light bounces back and forth between the two mirrors, and hence the intensity of the light is increased enormously. So finally, the intense amplified beam called a laser is allowed to come out through the partial mirror, isn't it? And the optical resonator constitute an active medium kept between 100% reflecting mirror and a partially reflecting mirror. And the pumping, the process of raising more number of atoms to excited state by artificial means is called as the pumping process. And now the for laser action, so initially by some means of pumping process, atoms in the active medium are allowed to go from ground state to excited state, and hence the population inversion is achieved. So at this stage, spontaneously emitted photon, so called a stimulating photon, incident on the excited atoms in the active medium and initiate the stimulated emission. So the light emitted due to stimulated emission stimulates more number of atoms in the active medium to come from the excited state to the ground state, and hence more number of photons are emitted from the active medium. So thus amplification of light begins. So this amplified light travels back and forth between a 100% mirror and the partially mirror in the optical resonator, and hence the intense amplified beam of light, so called laser, is emitted through the partial mirror. So some types of laser. So the laser are classified into 5 major categories based on the type of active medium. So first one, solid state laser. It is classified into 2 types. So 3-level laser, ruby laser, for example ruby laser, 4-level laser, for example NDYAG laser, and gas laser, CO2 laser, helium neon laser, and semiconductor laser, for example gallium arsenide laser, and liquid laser, example europium benzoyl acetonate dissolved in alcohol, and dye laser and chemical laser. So thank you. We discuss on tomorrow.